Hey love bugs, it's me back with the voiceover. Okay y'all, so this is the unit that I did a review on not too long ago. It is by EULLAIR hair. It is their 20-inch deep wave lace frontal wig, and y'all really liked this wig when I did the review, so I am coming to you guys with an update, and I'm gonna be styling it differently just to show you guys a couple of styling options with this wig. I really love this hair. This hair is beautiful, y'all. It is so freaking pretty. Okay, so right now I'm just braiding the wig, y'all. I am no braiding expert, okay? I am not good at braiding hair, so don't judge my braids. I do think it came out pretty cute, but just keep in mind, I am not somebody that really knows how to braid hair. I know how to do a little bit from when my son was smaller, but I'm definitely no hair braider, okay? So what I decided to do was just put like, I think I only put 4 braids in the front of this hair, and I'm just showing you guys that right here. And later, I don't think I'm going to show this, but I'm going to wet the hair and apply some of this curling pudding to it and brush it out with my detangler. I'm going to show you the products that I use in my outro, so please stay tuned for the outro to see what products I use to get the curl pattern back the way that it was when I first got the hair. I have had this hair now for about 2 weeks, or maybe a little bit over 2 weeks, and I love it. I love this hair. Every time I wear it, my husband compliments me on this hair. I get a lot of compliments when I wear it out. People always say, oh my god, that hair is so pretty. So I would definitely recommend this hair. Like I said, it is gorgeous. The curl pattern is freaking phenomenal. So I'm just going to put those 4 braids in the top, and the rest is just going to be me wetting it and like I said, bringing the curls back to life. So it's not going to be a whole lot of styling I'm going to do, but the styling that I did choose to do did come out really, really cute. The rest, like I said, just watch the video, and in the outro I will give you guys, you know, my final thoughts and tell you a little bit more, as well as show you the products that I use. So stay tuned, watch the outro, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, I really do appreciate you guys so much. We are on the road to 20K. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys for watching me, for being interested in me, and for sticking with my goofiness. So I really appreciate you guys. All of the information about this hair will be listed down below in the description box. I would definitely recommend you guys checking out this company. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. this wig, and this is the same unit that I styled a few weeks ago, or maybe not even a few weeks ago, maybe a week ago, from EULLAIR hair. And I like the wig. I think the wig is really, really pretty. I love the curl pattern of this particular unit. I think the curl pattern is freaking phenomenal. And if I'm not mistaken, it's like a loose wave. Hold on, let me check it out, because I don't want to be telling you guys the wrong stuff, okay? Let me see. So it's not a loose wave. It's a deep wave hair unit. And I think that this hair is freaking phenomenal. And if you want the wig, if you start styling the wig and it does look a little, it starts getting frizzy or whatever, what I did was, to get my curl pattern back with this unit, was I wet it using my spray bottle. And you can get like these spray bottles from the beauty supply store for 90-some cents or something like that, or $1 or so. And then I applied my Beauty Texture Curl Control Defining Pudding, and I just applied a little bit of that to the hair. Can you guys see it? Or any type of curl pudding that you use. Like, this is the curl pudding that I use on my hair. And I applied that, and then I just used this to brush through the hair. And this is just like a tangle free brush, and I think I paid like $5 for this from the beauty supply store, and it just brought the curl pattern right back to life. It like didn't take a whole lot. I didn't have to do a whole lot. I don't know if I showed you guys in the video, but it didn't take a whole lot, and I didn't do all of the hair. I just did the frizzy portions of the hair. And like when you wash the hair, you can use it to bring your curl pattern back after you wash it or whatever. And then I let it air dry without messing with it, without running my fingers through it. After I did that, I just let it air dry, then touch it on the mannequin. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And this is the finished look. And I think I mentioned when I did this hair review that my issue with this hair was that it didn't have a whole lot of parting space. And it really is not bad when it comes to parting space. So as you guys can see right here, it doesn't look terrible. This is about the end of it. It maybe stops a little bit after this, but yeah, it's not terrible when it comes to parting space. Not as bad as I thought it was, but it's not a super lot of parting space. But if you want to do this type of look, you can do it and get away with it without, you know, your track showing. So yeah, I really like this wig. I think this wig is really pretty. And what I also decided to invest in, because I noticed when I did my makeup video and I curled some other hair and the curls kept falling like after a certain amount of time, I got this Full Control Hairspray 24-hour hold. And this right here will basically hold your curls. And I used it to spray the curls on this hair. So I think I showed you guys, but all I did was, you know, just spray it a little bit and do that. Ooh, child. Oh, it smells so good. And I used that to basically, let me do the other side, child. You can't do one side and not do the other side. And I did that to maintain the curl pattern of the wig. But overall, I think this wig is really cute. I would recommend you guys checking out this wig. And I just want to revisit this wig and show you guys another styling option when it comes to wigs like this. So, yeah, if you are interested in this unit, and all of the specs and everything about this wig will be down below. And plus, I will have my initial review on this hair down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. And I would recommend this hair. I think this hair is gorgeous, y'all. Do y'all think it's gorgeous? Like, I think it is freaking gorgeous. Let me show you guys a full 360 right quick, and we can wrap this thing up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And like I stated, I think this hair is gorgeous. I think this hair is gorgeous, and I would definitely recommend you guys checking out EULLLAIR. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but like I said, all of that is down below. Plus, the name of the company is in the description, not in the description, but it's in the title of the video. So definitely check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. And keep in mind, y'all, I'm no braiding expert. Like, braiding is not my forte. Like, I learned to braid a little bit when my son was little, only because he had a head full of hair. And you guys know, in our community, in the black community, They recommend you not get your kids' haircut until after a year. And I don't know if that's everybody or that's just our community, but I know my folks, with my family, we don't cut hair until after a year. So he had a lot of hair, and I had to get control of it in some way. So I learned to braid a little bit, like from my best friend. So this is about all I can do when it comes to braiding. I'm definitely no braiding expert. So if I can do it, sis, you can do it, okay? If I can do it, you can do it. So fret you not, boo. Okay, fret you not. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, this is it. I like it. I'm gonna rock this today. We're gonna go out to eat right quick with the family, and yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys checking out this unit. I would definitely recommend you guys checking out the company, and that is the end of this video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You know what? It's a girl that says, turn the thumbs up blue. And I love how she say that, but I'm not going to steal it. Okay, sis? I'm not going to steal it. But I do like that. But anyways, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, or you just want to say, hey, boo. Hey, boo. I love your video. Please put that down in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, we beefing. Okay? We beefing. Why watch me and not be subscribed? Like, what's good? Okay, what's good, Miley? What's good? Click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous to Be on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. I've tried it with brown dark roots and I didn't like it. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I did try it with some brown dark roots and I did not like it whatsoever. It didn't really go with the pink in the hair. So